Hi, this video introduces pH testing with liquid pH tester. pH testing liquid itself is acidic liquid. Therefore, pH level of sample can be changed by adding tester. Let's see how it can be affected. In this large container, I have sample of water to test pH level. Pour sample water into these 4 containers. pH level is about 9.5. Now applying liquid pH tester to each cup except one. No pH tester in first cup. Apply 3 drops into second cup. Apply more than 3 drops of pH tester for third cup. Fourth cup is smaller cup and apply 3 drops. As you see, pH tester can affect the pH level of sample. Smaller amount of pH tester has less impact than larger amount. Also, smaller amount of sample with regular amount of pH tester can change the reading too. The volume ratio of sample and liquid pH tester may need to be considered if there is off reading of pH.